Want to start your own business but don't know where to begin? In this video, I'll show you how to use AI tools to brainstorm ideas, write a business plan, design your brand, and launch your business in 2025. You don't need a huge budget, just the right tools and some determination. Use ChatGPT or Perplexity AI to generate profitable business ideas. Example prompt: give me 10 business ideas under $500 that can be run from home. Refine until you find something realistic and exciting. Use ChatGPT to create a lean business plan. Sections: business overview, product services, target audience, marketing plan, financial projections. AI can structure this for free, and you can edit details to fit your situation. Use Canva AI to design logos, business cards, and marketing materials. Use MidJourney or Leonardo AI to generate unique brand visuals or mock-ups. Example: create a modern logo for a coffee delivery service. Use Wix ADI or Durable AI to instantly create a website. AI helps generate website copy, product descriptions, and landing pages. Add a blog with AI-written articles SEO-focused to start ranking on Google. Use ChatGPT to write Instagram captions, TikTok scripts, and YouTube video ideas. Tools like Copy.ai or Jasper AI make ad copy easy. Canva AI Batch creates social media posts with your brand colors. Use Notion AI or Trello AI to manage tasks, create schedules, and stay on track. AI can set reminders, break goals into steps, and help you stick to deadlines. Sell products on Etsy, Shopify, or Amazon. Offer services on Fiverr or Upwork. Reinforce that AI makes scaling faster by reducing manual work, and that's how you can use AI to start and grow a business in 2025. From brainstorming to branding to marketing, these tools make the process faster, cheaper, and easier. If you found this helpful, hit that subscribe button and check out my other videos on AI side hustles and money-making strategies.